hey, if you are using AirPods 4 and one of them stops working, let's say left one stops working, so you'll have to first input them inside the charging case, just like this. And now you will have to close this case, connect here the USB-C cable, and you have to be sure that you charge them to 100%, earbuds inside and also the charging case. And when you do this, you will have to just open this case, and when this icon lights up, you will have to double tap, double tap, double tap, and double tap. When this icon turns into the red, it means that we successfully performed the hard reset. So we just bring all the default settings back. And if it is not working, then you will have to repeat the process. I'm not talking about charging them one more time. Simply close the case, open it, and when indicator pops up, you will have to perform this reset. So now you will have to close this case, and if you were connected with your iPhone or Android or basically any other device, you will have to just remove this device from the connection list, restart the Bluetooth quickly, and now simply repair them. When you perform the reset, then this indicator should actually light up automatically. So now we can just click on the connect button, and right now you should be set up. And as you can see, that's how it works, and tell me if it is working for you. Thanks for watching.